Okay, this is a quick view of the inside of the 2007 Yamaha Majesty CVT, and I have just taken the metallic, I think it's an aluminum cover, off, and I'm just going to point to the wrench that I used. I used a torque wrench, simple torque wrench. The highest I had to put on this was 120 foot-pounds and also 100 foot-pounds. The two bolts, which are right there. So one was 100 and 120, and those were this one, which you need to lodge a bar into the cooling fan to secure it against one of these. That one actually took 120 foot-pounds of force to open up. Now this one over here, which is over there, which is the smaller one, that's a smaller bolt, that took 100 foot-pounds. So just so you know, this was the larger bolt, goes over here. That's the smaller bolt, goes over there. This was after over 18,500 miles of riding. This is the first time that this has been opened up. I'm just going to quickly zoom in and take a look at the inside. So this belt is 18,500 miles of continuous use. Summer, winter, spring, and fall. Continuous use. And I am impressed. I'm really impressed. Wow. That's the rubber belt. The stock factory rubber belt. And of course that's the clutch belt, which I'll be reconditioning. Let's see if this comes off. Whoa, that's heavy. Oh wow, it's like a railroad track. That is so smooth. The inside of that, that's like a railroad track. Exactly like a railroad track. That's what I'd characterize. It's about a 1/4 inch of steel right there. And let's take a look at the shoes. That's like glass right now. That's just like glass. Oh, there's a little collar here on the inside. Let's make sure that's on the inside. And yeah, that's just like some kind of glass. That's been completely polished. No wonder the clutch slips. Still got a ways to go though. All right.